Hey guys, welcome back to Ramjet Bros. Today I'm feeling super lazy and I don't feel like making pizza dough. So today I'm going to teach you my trick to making pizza with bread. Quick and easy, we're going to take 2 slices of bread. We're going to press it inside so it's all nice and firm. Soft flat inside the bread. So this is technically your pizza base. So we're making this out of bread. So what we're going to do, you can put a tomato base on here, but I'm going to put my favorite, which is baked beans, which I love. So you're going to see this generally in most of my pizza videos. After we get our tomato base or baked beans base down, I'm going to put some cheese. Spread on nicely. Very quick, very simple. You can put whatever you want. All depends what your flavor profile is. I'm gonna add some tomatoes because I love tomatoes in my pizza. Then throw some spices. Add some thyme and oregano. Just gonna throw 2 of them on there. And then I'm just gonna put in the oven at 180 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes until the cheese is nice and melted. But then you can also put it a bit longer if you like it crispy. What else you can do, you cut out the crust. If you don't like the crust, then you can just use the inside of the bread and it'll be amazing. Watch, and there you have it, some awesome bread pizza. All depends what you want to do. You can put whatever toppings you want. Still delicious. Try it.